ask your student or child to identify the vowel, which they would say A, and then ask them if there is a letter that's closing off that vowel, and they would say N, or a consonant, which is right, because a vowel followed by a consonant is a closed syllable, which allows this vowel to say its short sound, which is A in this case. And that is what a closed syllable word is. So, on this paper that the students have is the rule, and this is the main thing to focus on, which is what we just went over, which is the closed syllable. When a vowel is followed by a consonant, the vowel makes its short sound. And of course you'd review your words to know, which are your sight words. Those are to be memorized. And then going over the brainstorming words and any challenge words. This word bank will be very helpful. These are not words necessarily to be memorized, but to review and to use it kind of as a guide to help your child apply the rule. One way to do this would be, to go over the words to make sure they could read them, and then unblend them. And it's important that they isolate each sound. So even in the word at, you would say at, and blend each sound, listening for that short A sound. Then when you feel like they have that down, you could even extend it and have them come up with some words of their own. And that's a great way to assess if they're listening for the sound or if they're just picturing the letters in their mind. They may come up with cake because cake has an A in it, but you could ask them, unblend cake and let's see if we hear that short A sound. And when they discover that that's not a short A sound, they can come up with another sound, and they'll be more apt to listen for the short A sound in the next time, then that's going to focus them more on the sound, which would help them apply this rule much better for the test on Friday.